a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the translation glossary. This designated support is something that may be assigned by a teacher depending on a student's need. This is what the translation glossary will look like once you have followed these next steps. When the glossary is turned on in the language of choice before you start your test, you will notice that certain words or phrases will highlight when the cursor hovers over it. This means that it is a word or phrase that is available to be translated to the language that was selected before testing started. When you select the highlighted word, you will see a pop-up box that will show the translation of the selected word or phrase. To close the glossary tool, select the X in the upper right-hand corner. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!